was a man who had two sons. He went to the first and said, "Go out and work today." He told his father, "I will not," but later he changed his mind and went anyway. Then the father told the other son the same. He said he'd work in the vineyard, but then he did not stay. Which one of the two did what his father asked him to do? One of the two did what his father asked him to do. The tax collectors and prostitutes are entering the kingdom of heaven ahead of you. But John came to show you the righteous way, but you did not believe it when you heard the news. Which one of the two did what his father asked him to do? Jesus told a parable about a landowner who planted a vineyard and put it up for rent. He had some farmers working, and when the harvest approached, to collect the fruit, his servants he sent. The tenant seized the servants. One was stoned, another maimed, a third was killed, and when other servants arrived, the tenants treated them the same. Last of all, he sent his son. He said he will get their respect. The tenants wanted to take his inheritance, so they threw him out and broke his neck. When the owner comes, what will he do? They will come to a wretched end. The stone the builders rejected has become the cornerstone, and the kingdom given over to other men.